guys, welcome to a new vlog and happy Mondays. Monday morning, we got back home from LA last night around midnight, and this morning I've been running around cleaning, doing the laundry. I unpacked my bags and I've just been kind of hitting reset post vacation today, and I am in the middle of making our grocery list. We should be going grocery shopping later today. We are in a new week and kind of getting back on track, back into our routine once again. These last 3 weekends we traveled back to California, so every week we've just been kind of like getting back into a routine and then leaving to California, getting back into a routine and then leaving California. The month of March has been a little bit all over the place, but we're in a new month, in a new week, but now I'm very much ready to get back into my daily routine and kind of get back on track. So that is what I've been doing today: cleaning, organizing, getting my life together. So I just got back from the grocery store and I thought I'd do a little healthy grocery haul since I picked up a few new things from Sprouts, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I picked up are these whey protein packets from Sprouts, and this is the vanilla flavor, and I got the smaller version just to try them out to see if I like them. I picked it up because I want to start making my smoothies again now that we are in the springtime and it's warmer out. I love making smoothies as either a lunch, a midday snack, or breakfast or something of that sort, and I like adding vanilla protein, and they were having this two packets for $4, so I thought that I'd try it out before I purchased the full jar. And then I also picked up these flax seeds by the brand Bob's Red Mill, and I'm thinking of adding this to my smoothies as well as my Greek yogurt bowls that I like to do in the mornings. And I also picked up an Olipop. I got the orange squeeze flavor. I haven't tried this one yet, but as I was like looking through the different flavors, one of the workers was restocking and he recommended this one, so I grabbed this one. I'm excited to try it. He said it was really good. And I also picked up this tzatziki sauce to go with Mediterranean bowl that I plan on making for dinner later this week. I also got some Parmesan cheese to go with my Caesar salads and some of my pastas that I want to make this week. I also got some sourdough to have for my avocado toast and some sandwiches for lunch. Stocked up on some oat milk. The Chobani oat milk original flavor is what I like to use for my iced lattes and my smoothies as well. And then I also picked up this basil pesto sauce. I'm planning on making chicken pesto pasta with a side of asparagus, and usually when I make pesto pasta, I make my own pesto from scratch. And then for veggies, I just got asparagus, cucumbers, spinach for my protein smoothies, avocados, we have some bananas, some mangoes, and then for my smoothies, I got a blend of frozen blueberries, strawberries, and mangoes. I also picked up some Caesar dressing for some salad. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got from the grocery store today. And it feels so good to have a fridge full of food, and I'm just so excited to cook this week. Like I said, I ate out all weekend while I was in LA and the food was amazing, but my body is craving home cooked meals. Good morning, guys. So I just finished my breakfast. Today is like my first official back into my routine. Yesterday was more of like a reset day. So it feels really good to be back in my routine, back at my Pilates studio and just doing my daily habits and things like that. But I did want to share that earlier this morning I was feeling very self-critical and having a lot of negative thoughts, and I know it has to do with the fact that, one, I'm about to start my period soon, and being self-critical is a symptom during my luteal phase, and also because I have been putting a lot of pressure on myself with like certain things. Once I got back from my workout, I decided to journal, which you just saw me do, and it really helped me. Also, don't mind the noise in the background. That's my cats playing with a box. So anyways, I decided to journal once I got back from my Pilates class to just help me shift my perspective and helped me work through some of the negative thoughts that I was having. It was so helpful. I was able to identify the negative thoughts that I was having and acknowledge them, but not give them any life, and choose to have more positive thoughts and focus on the good. But I just wanted to share that journaling really helped me to shift my perspective, and now I feel so much better. I feel more inspired, more grateful for where I am, and proud of myself. And I just wanted to share that as your reminder to journal. Make journaling a daily practice, a daily habit. Journaling has been so therapeutic, so healing, so transformative for me in so many ways. It's helped me work through limiting beliefs, a negative mindset. It's helped me to be able to shift my perspective and focus on gratitude. It's been such a great tool for me throughout my personal growth journey. If you've been trying to get back into journaling, or maybe start your journaling practice, this is your sign to do so. I wanted to show you guys this new productivity planner that I got. Don't mind the fur. I have to like get a lint roller. While I was in LA, I was on the hunt for a new planner because the one that I got at the beginning of the year, I absolutely love that planner, but it is a quarterly planner, and I went to go repurchase the planner insert for quarter 2. However, they were sold out, and I messaged the company and they said that they were working on restocking. I didn't want to wait until they restocked to get a new planner because quarter 2 was about to begin and I didn't want to fall off track. So I ended up purchasing this productivity planner, and it's actually by the same brand of the gratitude journal that I like to use, and this is also a quarterly planner as well. So this was perfect for me. It's undated, a quarterly planner just like my last one, and I kind of wanted to give you a little tour of what it looks like. So it gives you a section where you can track your habits for the month, and then it has a monthly overview for the next 3 months. You can write what your top priorities for the month are. What I like about this planner is that the setup is very similar to my old planner, meaning at the beginning of every single week, it gives you a weekly planning section where you can set your intentions, you set your 5 most important tasks, and so you have this weekly section to plan, and then on a daily basis, you also have a section as well for most important tasks, and so on and so forth, your daily planning schedule. And then at the end of the day, you can reflect here on how the day went. And then at the end of every week, it gives you a weekly review section where you obviously review your weekly wins, what you didn't complete, what you learned, and what you want to take action on for the next week. And then it repeats itself. I like this one, and I still like my Stowe Classics planner. Like I said, they were just out of stock of the planner insert that I needed, so I just needed something else, but I definitely would recommend this one as well. They're both really good in very similar ways, and I'll link this below if you're interested. And that's a little update on my planner situation. I got the Atlantic salmon with rice and french fries.
I got the ahi tuna with the chipotle lime sauce, fries, and tomato and feta cheese.
Looks really good. Also, after lunch, we're headed to Ulta and Trader Joe's, and then we're probably going home. So that's what our Saturday is looking like.